was the major at the helm of affairs, as far as this 26/11 Mumbai terror attack is concerned. Taivoor Rana also, who oversee the logistical as well as the financial support to the Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists, was directly, he was coordinating with the ISI officials regarding the timely transfer of funds to the terrorists, and all this. And when he came to Mumbai during between November 21 to November 25 in 2008, he oversee the coordination with David Coleman Headley, who recceed all the areas where the attack took place. It is not to be noted that the trial records pertaining to the 26/11 terror attack case, will act as a potential evidence for the National Investigative Agency against Taivoor Rana and David Coleman Headley, because both of them have been named in the trial records, that were accessed by the Patiala House Court in January this year. So this is very significant. It needs to be seen from here on how this case proceeds, because if you see, after the attacks had been carried out, Taivoor Rana had conveyed to David Coleman Headley that all these terrorists should be given the National Award of Pakistan. So, it is very evident from the fact that, ISI was fully involved in orchestrating these attacks, when Zakiur Rahman Lakhvi and, Hafiz Saeed were coordinating with each other. Considering this also, Taivoor Rana also has served in the Pakistani army. So there is a clear ISI role in the 26/11 terror attacks case. Yes, Simran.
All right, Aditya, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us as Mehndi Garg is also joining me live on the broadcast. Mehndi, what are you picking up as far as the updates are concerned, as the 26/11 plotter is going to be brought to the NIA headquarters first, and there are details that are emerging after what is going to be the plan of the NIA afterwards. Share more details.
Well, indeed, Simran, right now, the security have been heightened in various parts of the Delhi ahead of the arrival of 26/11 terror attacks mastermind Taivoor Rana. And right now, we are outside the NIA headquarters, and we'll show you the visuals as well of this particular area. And it has been completely cordoned off, and you can see that how the, Delhi police personnel, army personnel are coming here, and the security has been tightened. And in some time later, as the time will come when Taivoor Rana will be transported to the NIA, will be taken from the Palam airport to the NIA. Before that, it is expected that the security will be more heightened around the NIA as well. You can see that it has been completely barricaded right now, so that no vehicular movement is right now allowed in this particular area. There are two areas and the two roads that comes to the National Investigation Agency, and right now the area has been completely cordoned off. And also, the Delhi Police Special Cell and also the SWAT commandos have already been deployed at the airport. And according to the sources, we are getting to know, Simran, that Taivoor Rana's bulletproof car will be accompanied by armored vehicles in the convoy, and from the Palam airport he will be taken and transported to the NIA. And after that, in the national he will be taken here, and after that he will be produced in front of the NIA court as well. So yes, the security has been tightened around the NIA headquarters as well, and in some time later it is expected that some more personnel, the Delhi police, the army personnel will also be coming here, and also the SWAT teams, the special teams that are coming, that are there, the commando teams that are there at the Palam airport right now, will be coming here as well, as soon as the arrival of 26/11 Mumbai terror attack mastermind Taivoor Rana will be happening. And then it will be the time when from Palam airport he will be taken to the NIA headquarters. Here in the headquarters, his medical will be done. He will be produced in front of the NIA court as well. But yes, as of now, the latest that we can show to our viewers as well, because it has been a lot of years till as the attacks has happened, and now the complete area has been cordoned off in front of the NIA headquarters. Simran.
All right, Mehndi, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us, as in fact we are also